但我晓得，不认命，就是哪吒的命。
Animated blockbuster Ne Zha broke box office records in China last summer. Yiyang Special Effects is one of the studios that contributed to the film's success. The founders are a group of young people with big and daring dreams. Dong Yang and Wang Yichen have been getting only 3 to 4 hours of sleep every night for the past 2 weeks. They have a deadline to meet in 6 hours.
我打了一个10来个电话了，还有10个镜头，明天早上必须完成。程毅，你多干点吧，你干4个，其他你们来分。而我们在做。
We are working on an animated series produced by Tencent. We must finish our parts before the series airs. Our computer is running all day long. When my colleagues take a break, I work and vice versa.
4 years ago, Dong Yang and his high school buddy Wang Yichen decided to quit their jobs in Beijing and open up a visual effects studio in their hometown, Liaoning Province.
知道这种自贸区刚成立，然后
We are quite lucky. We enjoyed our benefits of the newly established free trade zone in Shenyang. It took us less than a week to register our company and at no cost.
Setting up the company was quite straightforward, but to sustain their business was a different story. As a newcomer to the market, they had only small projects to work on. They earned barely enough to make ends meet. But in 2018, the producer of Ne Zha offered Dong Yang and Wang Yichen a life-changing opportunity.
最难的镜头1秒05帧，合了4。
We spent 4 days working on a 1-second shot. It's the scene with Ne Zha at the beach. We made multiple versions of that scene and turned into one that was finally okayed by the producer.
No one expected Ne Zha's stellar performance at China's domestic box office. But when the movie received stunning reviews, especially for its visuals, Dong and Wang knew their hard works paid off. Dream big, work hard, and be passionate. These are mottos that they hold closely to heart and put in practice as they plunge themselves into new projects. Ling Lin, CGTN.